2018 Infiniti Q50 is the automaker's most popular vehicle and returns this year after a modest restyling and reshuffling of its trim levels. The major changes include new front and rear bumpers, some light, stylish interior refinements, and a reshuffled trim lineup. Like other luxury vehicles, the Q50 has an impressive suite of active safety systems designed to keep occupants safe while also reducing the strain on the driver. The Q50 Pure replaces the base model, which is only available with the 2.0-liter, turbocharged inline-4. The looks replaces the premium and will likely be the best-selling trim for the Q50. It's available with either the 2.0-liter Turbo 4, a 300-horsepower version of Infiniti's 3.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V6, or with a V6-powered hybrid system. The Sport brings some stylish trimmings and a standard V6, while the Red Sport 400 carries on with the 400-horsepower V6.